Hey everybody, it's Corey from Productive Flourishing, the head of marketing at PF, and I am super excited to go live with you today to show you a little sneak peek at of the Momentum app. You should see this on your screen. This is a design preview. There's a link in the live description here. I'll talk about that here in a minute. But I am very, very excited to share with you today the first look at Momentum app. So this is a design mock-up of the app. And over on the left-hand side, you see the October projects. In the middle, you see this week's projects. On the right-hand side, you see the focus and the weekly dashboard. If you are somebody who has used the Momentum Planner, then this should look very familiar to you. There might be some slight changes in where things are, depending on which version of the planner you use, but this should look very familiar to you. And up at the top menu, you'll see you can pick the day, the month, and the week. When the full version of the app is live, you'll actually be able to jump back and forth between month, day, week, and year as you want. So this is very, very powerful software that we're launching. So super excited about this and what it's going to do and what we're going to be able to show you all. So let's talk a little bit about some details. Over on the left-hand side, you can see October's projects, and obviously what's in here, October's already passed, so we're just showing some examples here. But the idea is that you want to see all of your big projects in context, so that you know that what you're working on this week feeds up to what you're working on for the month, right? So if this is the month of October, over on the left-hand side, I've got my big 5 projects for the month of October. And then down at the bottom, if I want to go and look at my month planning view as a whole, I can do that. In the middle, it says this week's projects. So I am just looking real quick, checking my notes. Yeah. So in the middle, it says this week's projects. What projects will you focus on? And it's got 3 there. We allow up to 5 projects because, as you know, if you remember the 5 projects rule, that our brains in any in any period view, we want to be able to focus on no more than 5 projects. So we've got 3 here, and it allows up to 5. And then scheduled events. Eventually, the plan here is to have scheduled events sync with your calendar, so you can see what events are happening in this time view. In this case, a week. Top right-hand corner is the focus. What projects are you going to focus on? What is your focus for the week? Providing feedback to Crit, which is our design company, our software company that's making the app. And then on the right-hand side, it says weekly dashboard, and these are the parts of your projects that you're working on each day of that week. So you can see that on the bottom right-hand corner, it says Monday, November 1st, that we crossed off the Crit monthly review. So this is a very simple preview of the app. This is what it's going to look like and what the basic features are going to be.